This conference will now be recorded.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, students join the class. Last class we have discussed about chart of accounts. So, I am going to share the screen.
Ma'am, I actually have a doubt in the tolerance group, like definition of that to create,
Some
define the
students did
tolerance
not
group.
get link. One second. Students do not send message in personal numbers. Send in group. Few of the students are sending in personal. Okay, so I have shared the link.
Ma'am,
Now
could
we'll
you enable me as like for presenting because
not
I
now. I am
actually
to
view,
start the class. Then after I'll tell you. Who is actually speaking now?
ma'am Anushya.
Okay, no problem. First, let me start. I have not started only.
Ma'am, then can you like start from tolerance group itself?
Yes, I will show
Like,
you once. Not at all.
yes,
I will
ma'am. If
show
you
you
can show it
once.
once, I'll follow from there. I created everything else, only the last one, the
Okay.
tolerance group, I am actually stuck.
Okay, I will
So,
show you once more. No problem.
yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Because that is very important. After GS, when we'll do posting, that time it will very required. So, how many students has done? Software has almost done, almost installed for everyone.
Ma'am, all my issues were cleared, so I did everything from start
Some
to
voice is
finish.
not coming. Who is speaking? Just a minute.
Ma'am, can you hear me now?
Okay, so let's show you once tolerance group. Someone has asked me about this. SAP reference IMG, financial accounting. Acha, I'll go through the T code wise. Slash N O B A 3. This is vendors, okay? Slash N O B D O B A 4. Yes. This one you are asking. This one tolerance group
Yes, ma'am. So
slash.
I have clicked on position, and it's asking me for tolerance group and company code.
See, we have created this. Tolerance group you have to give. In that case, tolerance group you should not give. What you have to do, I'll show once again. The T code is slash N O B A 4. Okay, so I'll click on positions. Company code only you have to give TA51. I'll give me the displays. Group we have not given, na? We have not given group name. We have given directly company code. So you have to type company code there. Got it? If you type in the group, it will not display. Okay?
Ma'am, I have typed the company code, and it shows me change view FI tolerance group for users.
This is
Yeah,
only.
this
That is the
screen is.
screen. So in
Yeah,
this
so what do
position,
we enter this side?
you click
Yes, ma'am. And then
and
company code I have
company
given.
code you have to type. It is
Okay,
you
and
have
then
created. No, for creation you are asking or for display.
creation,
You want to
ma'am. I have.
creation means you have to click on new entries. Here you have to give company code, and here I have given 11 nines, 10 nines. I'll show
Yes,
you
ma'am.
that
This
what.
is done.
Then other things you need not to do.
We don't have to
TA51.
assign anything. It's
No,
not
no, no, no,
showing.
no. That you don't do. That will stop the software itself. It's not there for assignment any tolerance group. This is
Okay, okay. I
only
have
to
done till here,
create
ma'am.
tolerance. This is only creation. That's all. I understood what you are
Okay,
asking. Next,
okay,
today I
ma'am.
am going to. Acha, last class I taught you chart of accounts, right? Chart of accounts. I have sent this already previously. Also, I have sent recordings. Also, I have seen. So, chart of accounts. What is that? It belongs to assets, liabilities, income, and expenses, right? Income and expenses. So today I am going to teach you GL creations. GL means what? General ledger. So what is GL actually? What is GL? I'll show you. Just let me discuss about that. So GL creation in SAP, creating a GL general ledger accounts in SAP involves several steps. Here is steps by steps guide. So what is that? Step 1, define chart of accounts, which we have done. Go to transactions OPY7, or we can go the path financial accounting, global setting, chart of account, define chart of accounts we have done. Then create a new chart of accounts and modify existing one. Next step, after chart of accounts, we are going to create GL masters, which is the transaction code for this FS double zero. So, or navigate to financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master record, GL account, individual processing. So, if I'll give slash n, this is not there. Mhm. Okay, so let's start with the slash n fs double zero. So slash n
Ma'am, where did you enter that?
T code bar only. Slash n
On the
fs
easy
double
access,
zero.
on the SAP easy
Yes,
access screen
SAP easy
only.
access, but I want to show the navigation also. What is that? On SAP Easy Access screen, you have to go to the accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, master records.
Ma'am, so we don't have to be on the display IMG screen.
No, no, no. Now we are in SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access screen. Today we are going to do that. So follow the path. SAP Easy Access.
Ma'am, could you
Ma'am,
repeat what
could you
was the
go slower?
shortcut?
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Shortcut key
could you?
slash and FS00.
Ma'am, can you tell us the path again?
Yeah, and could you please go slower, ma'am, because we're noting it down.
Where I'm going fast. I have started, not started only yet. I'm just starting that.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is GL?
Our systems lag a little, no, ma'am. So
Okay, no problem. All it, I've not started anything. Now I'm going to start.
Ma'am, can
One
you type
student was
the last
asking
name in
tolerance group,
space
so I
bar
was
and
telling
just
that one.
wait for a minute?
Huh? Yes?
Ma'am, can you type the shortcut, like
No. T code I'll
the
tell you
T code one?
afterwards. No, T code I'm not going to tell you now. I am teaching you now first
also,
navigation wise. So first you follow the path. T code after that. Okay?
also,
So,
ma'am, the you sent a PDF of T codes, no, ma'am. In
I
that,
have sent love for last
yes,
sessions.
ma'am. Some T codes are not there. You've asked
No,
like
they're
questions in
till
the.
tolerance group. I think FS00 is there or not. I did not remember. I'll give you from today onwards. Till chart
Yes,
of
ma'am.
accounts, everything is there. You can check it out.
Ma'am,
Uh,
there wasn't assign business area T codes weren't there. Like you had given an assignment, no, ma'am. So in that you
no
had asked a
business
few
area we need
questions.
not to assign. Business area we need not to assign. I am not assigned. Only
Okay, ma'am. You had
assign
asked that
company code
question in the
and
assignment.
credit control area you have to assign, not business area. Business area
Okay, ma'am.
we have not assigned that. Few of these
Okay,
things is
ma'am.
only define is there. Few of the things are both defined and assigned.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
just
No,
like
ma'am.
tolerance group.
I asked
Ha,
because
I
that
understood
question was
because
there
it's a
in
new
the
one,
assignment.
new subject for you. So it is okay. No problem. Now, SAP Easy Access screen. All students, you be there, SAP Easy Access, and click on accounting. Click on accounting first, then financial accounting, hmm? Financial accounting, then general ledger, then master records. First, you click this four. Okay, master records you have done, then GL accounts. Are you following, students? Why are today less students?
Ma'am,
Akshaya
could you
isn't.
like
Ma'am, what is after general ledger?
Hmm? My software issue have been solved. I did all entries up till now. Wow, good. Palak, you have done all until
Yes,
today?
ma'am. I have done.
Wow.
I saw your recordings and through that I did everything.
Wow, nice. Good. Okay, next you see what I'm saying. How to do this? So you have to go to the accounting, financial accounting in the SAP PCX screen only. Accounting, financial accounting, general ledger. Then you have to come to the master records. In the master records, you have to come to the GL account. Then individual processing. This is the T code. You can directly type in the T code bar also, you can get this. That's what I'm telling. T code is already mentioned there only in navigation. FS00 centrally. You have to double click on this, you will get the screen. Okay. Suppose directly on the T code bar I'm typing slash and FS double zero. It is not O. FS double zero. Press enter. Directly I can go to the edit GL account centrally.
Ma'am, for me it is showing the company code is M001.
Hmm?
The
M
company
double
code,
zero.
ma'am.
Okay. So what you need to do first, you start create. Okay. First you need to start create. So it will ask you there. You can change the company code. Now I'm going to create 1 lakh. Okay. 1
After
lakh.
clicking on GL accounts, what do we click?
After clicking on GL account, where is the clicking GL account? I'll show you once again. See this. This is GL account individual processing, and you have to click here, double click here. FS00 centrally. There you have to double click. You got the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what you have to do? Click on create. Where is that? This is find, this is create, this is display, this is change, and this is copy, this is block, this is delete, this is change the company code, and this is update, and this is print preview. So what I am doing going to do now, create. Okay, click on create. I am creating now 1 lakh. 1 lakh. This is not my company code. I need to change this company code as a TA51. Now you click on this tick mark. You can give your company code GL account, you give 1 lakh.
Ma'am, for me, after I gave the tick mark on the left hand side, it's showing me still company code M001.
It is display,
Same,
but
ma'am.
you need to create. Listen, don't worry. Still, mine is also displaying TA11. But what we need to do, as soon as you create any asset, then it will come. Asset I have, so you have to
Ma'am,
select balance sheet. First, you listen one by one. First, you listen that. Okay, I have given that. Now, I'm going to create. Once you see one entries, then you will get to know that asset. Then you have to click here and cash account. Okay, so here I'll type cash account, control data. Here I have to do line item display, short key 001. First you see the entire things, then you will able to create bank interest G001. What is this? This is the field status group which we have created previous classes. So general ledgers, all these things I told you that day. So that is click on save. Once you click on save, what will happen? This is not my company. Someone is asking. Then after creations, you can change the company code. From beginning, you will not be able to change. Okay. Once you created any one, automatically it has been changed. Got it? Now the who is asking
Yes, ma'am.
that it is not coming for me. Now you will be able to do that. First you create. Okay. First
Yes,
you
ma'am.
create company code you gave. Start doing on the types descriptions. Once you have done, then you can go to the change company code and change the company code. Then it will display your company only.
Also,
Understood?
ma'am, me it says company code. My company code is not assigned to a field status
Then you
variant.
have to go to the previous only. Field status variant you have not assigned, you have to assign that. Because this is mandatory to enter here. This is required entries. Understanding? So you
Okay.
have to go to the SPRO. I'll just check it out once. SPRO.
Ma'am,
I'll
Okay,
show
ma'am.
you for every.
I'll just put my
Not
screen on
later.
so you
Now
can
only
tell
you
me.
can do it. SPRO.
Oh,
You have created means you can do it now. Not a problem. So field status variant, no, you have to go to the file, general, not general, financial accounting. Yes. So you can do it now only. So financial accounting new, financial accounting global settings new, ledger, field, and this. Then you go to the next one. Who is asking? You can do it now. Because I want
yes,
all
ma'am. Good.
students should create GL account today. How much time will take does not matter, but you need to create today hardly 5 6 GL. Okay, complete this, then I'll proceed.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
so
how
when
many
we are
keys you have on this?
Yes, tell me.
I open the change view field status variant page. Can you lead me on from here?
You want to show me that screen?
No, no, can
Okay,
you guide me in the steps? I'll do it on my own. If you could just tell me, I'll do it on my own.
this is only steps what I'm showing here.
No, after
You are able
clicking
to
on
see.
that, yeah, I did that.
See,
After that, it
define you have done. Have you done define positions? Just
yes,
like I have created T51. So this is already created. Now I'm going to assign. So click on this, click on position and give the same company code, and then you can define here same. I have given same only. You can see what you have given, that you have to assign, and click on save. Save with the customizing request.
ma'am, so I'm doing the GL account centrally part, and in type or description, I have given cash account. What else do I need to enter?
Cash account you have done. Okay, I'll just show you what
No,
I
Yes,
ma'am, I
have.
ma'am.
have only
Could you like
entered it. I have not
slowly
created.
See, accounts group is asset. You have to select your balance sheet. First, you need to select accounts group balance sheet. Here, you have to type asset. Automatically, it will come. Short text is cash account. GL account. Long text is cash account. Then control data. First, you complete this. I will show the control data.
yes, ma'am, I did assign, but in GL account in the left side, it still says M001.
No, if you share the screen, I am finding out. If you tell, I am not getting to know. I
yes,
think
ma'am.
two
I'm
students
having the
are asking.
same
One
thing.
student, I am
Yes.
not getting. Okay. Tell me, Ankasha, for what you have message? Ankasha? I think Ankasha has messaged. Akshaya, okay. Akshaya has messaged. Okay, tell me, till how much you have done? Who is asking me? Can you share the screen? Hmm?
Ma'am, I'm actually
Palak, you
there
are
in the
asking.
GL
Ashya.
account screen.
Anusha.
Whoever was having the same doubt of company code still being M001, I have the same issue. If you want, I can share screen.
Yes, ma'am. You called me.
No, one by one. All it will asking it one turn. Who is going
No,
to
ma'am,
share
we have
for
the
that
same
student?
doubt. We have the
Ma'am,
same
actually, I'm
No,
doubt. So
joining for
no.
two
Doubt
devices,
only
so
I'm
if
not
you
getting. What you are asking me is GL account you are not able to do or what?
yeah, yeah, ma'am. Like I got to know what doubt she had. Even I have the same doubt. So I thought I could share the screen so that both of our doubts could
Okay,
get cleared.
anyone can share.
Yeah,
Sneha,
yeah.
you
You
speak.
can go
Ma'am, I
ahead,
actually joined from
Snehashri.
two devices,
Ha.
so if you want to.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So I'll enable the Sneha Shri.
1 second, ma'am. I will. 1 second, ma'am.
No, any one students I can share at a time, not more
Ma'am,
than
actually, I
one.
Yes,
joined from
ma'am. Yes,
another
ma'am.
device already, so if you could do it.
Yeah, ma'am. You
Okay.
can do hers also if you
No,
have to
anyone you
follow along.
decide. Sneha Shri is okay or what? Who wants to go to share? That person I'll enable. That students only and enable. Hmm? At a time, one person, one students can share the screen. That's what.
Ma'am, shall I share?
Yes, Anusha. No, Anusha Krishna. Okay, I'll enable you. Present. Okay, now you can share. Where do you stuck, Anusha?
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible. Huh,
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
only.
Actually, we were
It's
having a
correct.
confusion
All
of
these things
because
are
of
correct
this.
only. No, no, no. Don't worry about this. Click on control data. I'll tell you how to it will come. Control
Okay.
data. Uh, Scroll down. Click on line item display is displaying. No, line item
Yes, ma'am.
display. Click on tick mark there.
Okay.
Yes. Then short key is 001. Type there 001. That is called posting date. Okay, then
Okay.
click on bank interest. The next one, create
Alright.
slash bank slash interest. Yes. Now there you select G001. Type G,
Here, ma'am.
huh,
In
G
fields, it
double
is
zero one.
G001.
Yes.
Here only, no, ma'am. In
Huh. You
fields
can click
details.
right side also. You can choose it also, but already it is G001. It is there, so you can
Okay.
type and save. Click on save button in top. Yes. Save this.
Just a minute, ma'am.
It is slow little. Click on tick mark. That
Okay.
left tick mark is there. Yes. Okay. Now you go to the change company code where it is, that headphone type symbol. Yes. Click there, and now you give your company code.
Okay.
Yes. Now click on tick mark. Yes. Now it's done. So likewise we can do it. Your company only displaying. The previous company will
Okay.
not display now. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the things. Now onwards, whatever you'll create, it will be in your company only.
Okay. Okay. Okay,
Understood?
ma'am. Fine.
So
Yes,
everyone
ma'am.
got this with Anusha screen? Everyone understood? Snehashri, you understood that? How to do
Yes,
this?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's continue. You are able to see the screen? Okay. Now next GL accounts likewise few of this will create. Click on create. There is, because this GS now in the coming classes we are going to post the entries.
Ma'am, I can't see
Posting
your
entries
screen.
I'll be telling you tomorrow. Okay, I'll share once again. I think I have not shared. Now you are able to see.
Yes, ma'am.
See, now today only GL creations I am teaching. Tomorrow I'll teach you general posting, parking, like this and all. This is most important. After general ledger creations, we can do any transaction. So now I am going to create 1 lakh one. Everyone do simultaneously with me today. Click on 1 lakh one, then you have to click on balance sheets, then assets. Here I'll create ICICI Bank. Here it is, ICICI Bank. So next is I'm going to click on control data, line item display 001.
Ma'am, can you show the description again?
Hmm.
Ma'am, are you creating again?
No, this is another one. That is cash account. Now I'm creating ICICI bank account. Both it is required, no? That is lot of GLs I am going to create today, like data, creditors.
How did you do it, ma'am? Could you show it again? Because I did it
Click
again and
on
it says
create
yes,
and
ma'am. I
give
did
1
that.
lakh, 1 lakh 1.
Okay, ma'am. One lakh
And
one.
company code, it will ask you company code as it is.
Ma'am,
Then type some
The
descriptions you
GL
want to.
account number is 1 lakh 1, right?
That because it is 1 lakh. Next one is 1 lakh 1. Next I'll create 1 lakh 2. Like this it will come.
Okay, and then asset again we'll give asset only and balance sheet
Asset.
amount.
First I'll create 4 5 assets. Next I'll create 3 to 4 liabilities. Then I'll create income 3 to like sales account, commission receipt, rent receipt. If you do today complete, then I'll show you one posting also. Okay. So this ledgers and all we have to create. This is the main things for the next entries. That's why. So balance sheet account, all you have created, then click on control data, line item display and posting date. Acha, what is posting date? You see here, I'll show you. 001 is posting date. This is not we have to do purchase order, this and all. In material management, some things are there. This we are not using. For SAP FICO, we are using posting date is 001. Then create bank interest. Don't select G001. Don't select G001. You have to select G005. What is that? Bank account obligatory value date. So you have to type G005.
Ma'am, can you go to the control data tab once before like saving?
Only this much.
Ma'am,
This
why
is the
is it
automatically display.
001?
That is posting date. For SAP FICO, we are using that is posting date. That is a short key.
And the field status group is G005.
Huh. Field status group is G005 because it is related to bank account. Sorry.
Ma'am, do we click on save?
Yes. Click on save and tick mark. So now 1 lakh 1 has also created. Now I am going to create furniture account. So here we have to go create. So 1 lakh 2.
Ma'am, the previous entry which you're supposed to save it, right?
Yes, you have to save all entries. 1 lakh 2 I am going to create now. Types description. First you select balance sheet, then you go to the asset. Now we'll create furniture account. One task I have given last class, haven't you have not? No one has submitted the assignments. I told you to write in PDF and you can submit, or else you can type also.
Ma'am, you had asked
Ma'am, I
us
would
to
submit
submit
it
by
by the end
this
of this
weekend, right?
class.
By next week, I told, not the next week last class. By next week means in this week, any day you can submit. This week,
Okay,
any
ma'am.
day you can submit.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
this week, what I will teach you, that I'll give you next week. Understood? Last week topics you can submit by any day, Wednesday, Thursday. By Friday, you have to submit. It is just for your understanding, nothing else.
Ma'am, I've written it down. Is it okay if I send you a picture?
Picture and photos, you can send it any Word file, or oh, you have written in paper.
Yeah,
You can send it.
actually wrote it down there. Okay.
You can send it, not a problem. As you are miss comfortable, you can send it. PDF, you can send it. Word file, you can send it. Writings, if you are done, photocopy, you can send it also. Anything is okay.
Ma'am,
So
we'll send it to
furniture
you
account,
individually or we'll send it in
control
group.
data, line item display 001 is done. Next, what we need to do? Create bank interest, that is also Z001 and save. So furniture has been also created. Likewise, you create on land account by yourself. Land account you create.
Ma'am, for furniture
Land,
account,
machinery, 1 lakh
Ma'am,
3
for
you create
furniture
for
account,
land. Now the task I am giving you, do it. 1 lakh 3
ma'am,
for land account and 1 lakh 4 for machinery. Or computer
ma'am,
you
for
can take it.
ma'am, for furniture account, do we just select G001?
Furniture Z001.
Okay, ma'am. And
Everything
what
is
else?
Z001, only bank is Z005. But Sunday
Okay,
debtor
ma'am.
credited, I'll tell you afterwards, not now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you said create land account for that?
Huh. Land account same. Fee status variant is same. But procedure you follow and create a machinery account, land account, computer account. Three more accounts you create. Because we'll use in next tomorrow posting. General this like journal entries like posting will do in SAP software.
Ma'am, for land,
So it
it's good.
So land,
you create
machinery, and
computer. Three more accounts you create.
okay,
1
land,
lakh 3,
machinery, and
1 lakh
computer.
4, 1 lakh 5. Like this you create. Some of the students are not doing that means they are already done this or what? Because I taught till this much posting again I revise no. So I think for that or what we'll see. Okay, create three more accounts. I'll be in 5 minutes. I'll come back.
Ma'am, after land, we have to do computer, right?
Land, machinery, and computer, I think.
Hello. So all you have done this? Three more accounts?
Ma'am, till
Everyone
5
done this?
minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a small doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, so for land account and machinery account, we write account, right? So for computer, we'll just write computer, right? There'll be no
Yes, no
account.
problem. Anything is okay. Not a problem. Which number you have already used that you cannot use once more. So you have to give continuous number. So all it's done. Next we'll do liabilities. Creation of liabilities. So first you finish this. I'm giving now 2 lakhs. So that is balance sheet. I will select your liability. Short key is like uh, liabilities is short text is I'll take company's capital account. Control data. line item display 001, create bank interest Z001.
Ma'am, can
All
you
students secret. That is 2
Ma'am, can
lakhs.
you go
Click
slower?
on create on this 2 lakhs you give, company code you give. GL account is 2 lakhs. 250.
Ma'am, is the bank interest code G001?
G001 only. This is posting date, this is Z001.
Ma'am, what have you given us the sort key?
Same, hotkey always same, 001. That is all posting date. It will not change. It will every GL account you have to give same only. Posting date. Next I'll create 2 lakhs 1.
Ma'am, the create bank interest is G0, field status group is basically G001 only, no, ma'am?
For capital account G001. Now for
Only when we are
creditor I am
creating.
going. No. Now I am going to
Okay,
do one
okay,
more.
ma'am. Okay,
Now I
ma'am.
am creating sundry creditor. That time it will be Z067. I am going to do that one now.
Okay, ma'am.
That is sundry creditor. When this you will create, the field status group will be changed.
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. My computer is lagging, so.
No problem. I'll make it slow.
Ma'am, what's the bank interest status variant?
This you have written, this you have typed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am,
Control
I have.
data, line item display here.
Is
Control
it
data, little
G's?
bit modifications you have to do. Reconciliations account type, you have to select vendors.
Ma'am, could you show the description once?
Is it done?
Ma'am,
Yes,
could you
ma'am.
go to the control data tab?
Yes, ma'am.
This is vendors, line item display, short key 00. This you have to select mandatory. This is. So here when you are creating sundry data, we have can select customer. This is not required. This is contract account receivable. Right now it's not required. We can select vendor for sundry creditor, and for sundry debtor we can select customer. So now I'm selecting vendors for this. Okay. Now go to the create bank interest. Here you have to use G067. This is reconciliation account. This you have to double click. Double click there, or you can type G067, then click on save. So data has been saved. Next, I am creating. I have created 1 lakh 5. One Sunday data also I'll be creating 1 lakh 6. That is types description is balance sheet, assets, Sunday data, data record. Create 1 lakh 6 I am creating as a Sunday data.
Ma'am, could you slow down a little bit?
What else? No, already I am in the screen only. You have not created creditor? Creditor has been
Ma'am,
created?
I actually created, but it's telling me that I haven't saved it and I have actually already saved it. It's just like loading and loading. I don't know what this
One
is.
second. Share the screen. I'll see once.
Yes,
Who
ma'am.
is speaking now? Anusha.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Anushya.
Okay. I'll just Anusha already you can share the screen.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
you have to click on yes.
Ma'am, I have already done it, ma'am, but still it's saying that I have not done. Now, if I go to create, see,
No, do one
again,
thing. Do one thing. This arrow single is there. No, assets left side arrow triangle is there. No, there you click and see.
this
Maybe
one,
you are using the same thing. Okay, close it. I'll check it out. There you click. What are the assets you have created? See. Okay. Liability you show me once. Yes. Now what you are creating? You have capital, company's capital you have created. Now you click on create once. Click on create. Why it is showing? Do one thing. You close this and back. Once you back, slash n in the T code bar you press. Don't do
1
that
minute.
one. Close it.
Close where, ma'am? Here?
Then the T code bar. Go to the T code bar where you are typing SPRO. No, there you type
Yes, yes.
slash n. Slash n.
Slash N.
Slash n. Enter. You will come out from the screen. Yes. Now again you double click on the FS00 centrally and do it once
Okay.
again. Anywhere you stuck students, you can go to the T code bar and press slash n. You will come back to
So
the
my
SAP easy.
creditors account has not been saved actually.
That's what it's telling. So create once more. Go to the create. Then click give the account 2 lakhs 1 means 2401. Now click. Then go to the types descriptions. Select balance sheet. Yes. Then you click on liability. Yes. Then you create sundry creditor. Then next sundry creditor account. Control data. Okay. Here you select reconciliation account is vendor. Vendor. Yes. Next line item display. Short key 001. Yes. Go to the create bank interest. Type G067. You can click there also. From the list you can double click. No, it is something. Scroll down, scroll. G067 where it is there you have to double click. Yes. Now click on save. data was saved. Down it is showing. Okay.
Now do I create
Likewise, you
alert?
create for data 1 lakh 6. 5 already there, 1 lakh 6. Yes. Uh, Click there. Hmm. Now types and descriptions. Select balance sheet. Select asset. Sundry data. Sundry data account. Control data. Okay. Select your customer reconciliation account. You go. Customer. Yes. This you type 001. Yes. Next create bank G067. Same. It will show you can select that one G067. Yes. Save this. Okay. So understood students how it is working. Next I'll complete this. Then I'll come to the income and expenses.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm? Lisa, tell me.
Ma'am, even my software is stuck, ma'am. I don't know what to do.
Share the screen now. I'll enable you.
Okay, ma'am.
You can share the screen now.
I'm not able to share, ma'am.
How? You can see right side share is there. No, that you click.
Yes, ma'am. I'm clicking that, but the share option is not given.
Ma'am,
Can
I
you
think
send
you
the
wait.
group? I will see that. In the
Okay,
group
ma'am.
you send the picture. I'll see and tell you where to click.
Okay, ma'am. I've sent, ma'am.
I'll check it out. Okay, just camera is there, no? Right side
Yes.
share. One triangle lock is there. Click on there. You can get the screen, share the screen.
Where, ma'am?
One triangle, op triangle is there. Share option is there, no? There you
Yes,
click
ma'am.
share screen, alt test. Or you can press alt test also. You can share
It's
this.
not coming, ma'am.
How it will not come. I'll show you once again, but once after share only you can see that. Okay, I'll send you the photo. You can just
Okay,
check
ma'am.
it out. 1 minute, I'll send this. So see my pointer is here. That is transferring. Just click on this. I'll tell you. You can just try this. Click on this share.
Okay.
Click on share. Alt S also you can press.
Yeah, I've pressed that only.
Or else you can press Alt S.
All tests only I'm doing, ma'am. It's not coming.
But if I'll. Okay. How can I tell you? Anyone can share the screen right now?
Yes, ma'am, if you want.
Okay, I'll just stop this share.
Ma'am, I actually think like I saw Lisha's photo which she has sent on the group. She needs to click on that entire screen box
Yes,
which
yes.
is
You have to
visible.
click on this
She
entire screen.
hasn't
Yes.
clicked. That is why it is not showing her the share
It will
option.
not.
Okay,
You have to click on
I'll
entire
try.
screen, then you do it.
Okay, okay, I got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Entire screen you have to select, then you click on OK. It will come. Now it's coming. Now it's came.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's showing like this.
How? It is
I don't
coming
know,
in.
ma'am. Suddenly it got stuck and this page appeared.
You can't cancel it. Close. You cannot do. Okay. One thing you do. There any close button is there? You close it. Right side. Any
This one, ma'am.
close? Not that one. The screen
This
it
one.
was not full corner right. Full
This one,
corner
ma'am.
right. Not that one. Yes, that one you close it.
This blue one.
Not blue. That one. Try to close. This is a one message screen actually. It's a message screen, I think.
Okay.
Click that one. It is closing or what? Check.
This one came.
Okay. So you have to log on once again. Click on log on, not a problem. Click on log on. Log on, log
Okay.
on. Yes.
Again, I have to click on log on.
Hmm. It will take time. Wait. That opening screen will come.
Okay. It's again repeating the same thing, ma'am.
No, it's coming. Its software is very powerful. It is slow. So there you type SAP user. No caps lock, small letters only, and no space.
Okay,
SAP
ma'am.
user. Automatically it will display once you start typing.
SAP user.
Huh. SAP user. Okay, click on password. India one
Okay.
two three. All in small
All
letters.
small letters, ma'am.
Yes, small letters, no space. Continuously you
India
type India
one
one two
two.
three. Huh.
Done,
Then
ma'am.
click on language. EN. Small letter E, small letter N. EN. Enter. Once again, what is displaying? Is there some technical issues? Can you take the picture and send this in group? I think admin can know this. Admin sir will
Okay,
solve.
ma'am.
Request to
Okay,
him
ma'am.
because it is a some terminate this logins and all it's happening. Take the photo, the screen photo, and send in group and ask to the admin sir. He will tell you the path. It can be rectified.
Okay, ma'am. Now
Okay.
I can't use the software, ma'am.
I think it is something logged or something. That's what. You just ask him, he will reply.
Okay, ma'am.
This is all
Okay.
software technical things. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see this later on. Send the picture, but don't skip that. Take this picture and
Okay,
send
ma'am.
it in. Okay.
Okay.
So you understood, students, how it is. We are creating GL accounts. So next, I'll show you that. Lisa, you attend this class today. We'll check it out and we'll send you the solutions on that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Control data, and here we have to select customer, line item, display.
Ma'am, your screen
This
is
is
not displayed.
Lisa was sharing, so I'll share once more. Now you're able to see.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now see here, customer, and create bank it is G067. So this is also we have created. Next you create likewise for income and expenses. So liabilities we have created two, assets we have created more. Next step is 3 lakhs range, 3 lakhs. Now first 3 lakhs you create. uh, P&L account because income and expenses never comes under balance sheet. It comes under P&L account. So here you have to select income. Okay. Wrong selections means it will show the warning red color. It will show. So income short text is I'll give here suppose commission received. Commission received.
Ma'am, what did you give the GL account number as?
3 lakhs. 3 lakhs I have given. Control data.
Ma'am, could you show the description once again? Okay, ma'am.
Control data, then create bank interest. This all are G001. Now no other things you have to select. Everything is G001. Save this.
Ma'am,
Next
can
I'll
you go to the
where control data. Same only.
no ma'am, description.
Income and you have to select P&L account.
Ma'am, control data is the same, no, ma'am. Just selecting line item display and 001.
Control data, create bank interest is same only.
Okay, ma'am. Do we save? Ma'am?
You can save. Next, I'm going to create 3 lakhs 1. 3 lakhs 1 that I'm going to create one sales account. So type
Ma'am,
descriptions.
for commission received, the bank interest is G001 only.
Hmm. G001. Mhm. Control data.
Ma'am, could you show the description? Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Control data. Same only. Line item display is 001 and create bank interest is same. Z001. Likewise, I'll create 3 lakhs 2. Descriptions. Income. I'll create here interest receipt.
Ma'am, what did you give as the description?
Interest receive account.
Yes, ma'am, okay.
This is also same. This is also same. So likewise, you can create like some more ledgers. Then I am creating now. You can create salary receipt. You can create what is that? Rent receipt, anything. Okay. Next, I am going to create expenses account. 4 lakhs. So this is expenses. Hmm? Okay. Control data. Line item display 001. Create bank interest Z001.
Ma'am, could you share
Save.
description once?
So next is control data. Same line item display posting keys. Create bank interest is Z001. Likewise, we can do some other expenses like rent paid, commission paid also you can create. So here I am going to create 4 lakhs one as a purchase account. Okay, purchase account. Next, control data. Line item display 001. Create bank interest G001. So you can see once. Hmm? Control data. Have you done this all? Hmm? Then Z001. So purchase account also created. Likewise, we can create some more 4 lakhs too. It has been created this 4 lakhs too. Tag descriptions. This is expenses. I'll create commission paid. Next, you can create interest paid. Create interest paid. So all these things we have created. So everyone understood how the GL account has been created pathwise, and the T code is /FS00. So any doubts with this? So any doubts there, students? So if you understood, put yes in the message box. If you understood all these things you are able to do, then you put in the message box yes and put a thumbs up. Nivedita, are you doing now? Ashini, Srija,
Ma'am, what is the last one that you created under expenses after commission paid account?
I
after
think it was
commission,
interest paid account.
interest paid. To use tomorrow for so that's what I've created this many ledgers. You can create some more ledgers also like interest paid I have given. So interest received also created, rent received also created, salary received also salary paid you can create it, advertisement expenses you can create it. Okay, suppose that will comes under 4 lakhs range advertisement expenses. Okay, if income you are doing that will be under 3 lakhs range. This is called document splitting. I have done, you didn't remember, 1 lakh to 199. I have given document splitting for assets. Then 2 lakhs I have given for liabilities, 2 lakhs to 299. Now you understood the different folders now. You can see there is a folder symbol, right? There is a folder symbol. So 2 lakhs range I have given for liabilities, 3 lakhs to 399 I have given for income, 4 lakhs to 499 I have given for expenses. So it will not be mixing off. So this is a separate folder for each type of accounts group. Understanding? Each type of accounts group we have a separate folder on this in the display GL account centrally. So tomorrow again new topic that will be I will show you. We have done all these things now. Next tomorrow I am going to teach posting here. That is general ledger posting. So financial accounting, general ledger accounting, tomorrow we are going to do posting. In this first I'll tell you what is general document parking, what is general posting, what is GL account document, what is edit or GL park document. This four types I am going to teach tomorrow. Okay, how much is possible we'll cover. Then we can do up the how to display line items, general ledger line items, and other things. Okay, so these are the things are there. Here also we can get the T codes and all. This T codes you can write, students. You can write when you open the software. This T codes will be displaying here. To display documents, I'm not started here. I'll be starting from tomorrow. These all are T codes. Okay, so what is the this is for park document, all T codes, document all the T codes, general posting all T codes is there. Okay, that is all the things. Any other doubts you have, students?
No, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So okay, so what I'll just show you what I'm going to teach tomorrow. Okay, let me do by tomorrow's. I'll just check it out. What is GL accounts is there. So you have to come out from this. I'll shut down this now. Not shut down, suspend guest. Okay. Suspend the guest and you will get the screen and then close this. Now I want to show you some things. Path everyone you understood practically you have done. That's good. Okay. And tomorrow what I'm going to teach you, I'll show you once again. See these transactions we are going to do tomorrow. Okay, so like date, I'll give you some questions like this in the group also. You can do it. Okay, started business with capital, paid office expenses, paid office rent. Suppose this is you can do only rent, paid rent you can check and you can do it. Then professional fees is there, deposited in the bank, how to enter this, cash to bank. That's some of the transactions I will add in this and I will send you in the next class. Okay. GL account how to create maximum students, few of the students has been done. So what is the park document, post document? I'll be telling you tomorrow's class. Okay. So this is the things are there. So some more questions I want to add in this, then I will do it. Okay. So that's all, students. We'll continue in the next class tomorrow. Same time, 6 o'clock. You can log in. Okay. So we'll wind up the session now. Bye bye.